Hi, John. What a nice surprise. Are you walking in the park today?
Hey, Emma. Yes, I come here often in the evenings. What about you?
I usually come in the mornings, but today I was free, so I thought of walking now.
That's good. Walking in the park is really relaxing.
True. Do you usually walk alone?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes my cousin joins me. What about you?
I usually come with my friend, but she's busy today.
Oh, I see. Do you like walking or jogging more?
I like walking slowly, enjoying the trees and fresh air. What about you?
I prefer jogging. It keeps me fit and active.
Not really. I prefer listening to birds and nature. Yes, I love that. By the way, do you exercise every day?
Yes, always. Music gives me energy.
I'm not that regular. Maybe 2 or 3 times.
Do you listen too? That's nice.
True. Do you play any sports?
This park is full of birds in the morning.
I like badminton. It's fun and easy to play.